In this video, we will walk through the different ways to add custom content, photos, and videos to any event within an itinerary or proposal in Travefy. The first thing we will want to do is choose the type of event that we are looking to add into the specific itinerary or proposal. Go ahead and select New Event, and from here, you'll get a drop-down list of all the kinds of events that you can build into this specific day or section. Go ahead and select which event you would like to add in. For today, I'm going to select the activity option. And from here, you'll see up at the top where you can change the category and subcategories at any time. You can put in a title, as well as any descriptions or information that you want to include in the notes area. You'll also notice that you have different formatting options up at the top if you want to include items such as a table, bullet points, links, or more. If you select Add Time or Price, you'll get a drop-down list of additional details that you can choose to put in, whether it's confirmation numbers, providers, prices, different currencies, or even times and time zones. However, what's really important is making sure you're grabbing your client's attention with photos and videos. You can go ahead and select the multimedia area, which will give you this pop-up. This is going to show you all of the different ways that we can add media into your itinerary or proposal. We are hooked up to 2 different royalty-free databases to help find the best photos for you. Go ahead and type in a general keyword. Today, I'm going to go ahead and select snorkeling before you select search. As you can see, a whole list of photos come up for me. And from here, you can decide how many photos you would like. We can add up to 10 photos and videos all within one singular event. I'm going to go ahead and just choose one. The next method that you can use is the upload method. This is great if you have any photos on the device that you're working on that you want to upload and use within your itineraries or proposal. The method next to it is the website method. This is where if you choose to put in a URL, such as from a supplier, we can see if Travefy can grab any images from their site for you to use. Let's go ahead and put a URL in. I'm copying a URL from my other screen and pasting it in here. This is from Virgin Voyages, and I'm selecting Get Images. From this page, these are all the images that I can select from. So I'm going to go ahead and just choose a few different ones. Next, let's go ahead. The next method is the copy and paste method. This is pretty standard, but if you need to copy and paste photos in, you can do so. One method that I do always like to highlight is your video method. This is a great way where you can virtually transport your clients to any destination through the power of video. All you need to do is make sure it's a YouTube or Vimeo video, grab their link, and paste the link right within this area here. I'm going to go ahead and do that together with you. Now that we have the URL pasted in, I'll select Add Video. And from here, we can have the video, and you can see a bit of the thumbnail that comes over as well. If there are any photos that you particularly like and you want to save and use later on, you can always go ahead and choose the heart option. By selecting that heart option, this will save the image for you to use later. Just go back into your saved images and you'll be able to see all of your recent images you used from the photo database, as well as those saved images. Let's go in and save our changes. Another thing to point out is that you can always rearrange the order of your photos and videos. For me, I'm going to move the video to be the first thing that they see just by dragging and dropping it. Lastly, if you have any attachments or documents that you want to include, you can do so easily at the bottom. You can also use the search bar to search for places if you want to bring over some location information. Simply type in the name of the location that you're looking for. Scroll down, and you can decide which one you want to pull in. As you can see, we have a little bit of information just right here. This is going to allow travelers to zoom in and out. They can also go ahead and do this on their mobile device if they choose. You can also choose to customize this event even further simply by selecting that pencil icon, adding in images, links, contact information, or your own descriptions. Just make sure you select Done Editing and Done Editing down at the bottom of that event. Let's go ahead and preview what this will look like for your travelers. Simply select the preview option up at the top right, and you can see what this looks like on desktop. They can click into these videos, play it right from within their Travefy itinerary or proposal rather than being taken over to YouTube. Scroll through any of those images you decided to include. You can also see what this will look like on mobile. Again, all of this acts the same way, but photos and videos are again meant to make sure that they can be virtually transported to these destinations and get excited for their trip that you're planning for them. But that's it. That is how you can easily include stunning content for your Travefy itineraries and proposals. As always, if you have any questions, reach out to our team at support@travefy.com and make sure to check out the rest of our Getting Started videos.